Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will show you how to list all MAC and IP addresses on your local network using Ubuntu. This is particularly helpful for network administrators, IT professionals, and anyone keen on monitoring their network devices. In our first method, we are going to use arp-scan, which is known for its accuracy. If it's not already installed on your system, install it using the following command. Once installed, you can list all MAC and IP addresses on your local network as follows. For the second method, we will use the IP-Neigh command, which is quicker but more limited. As you can see, this command also lists the MAC and IP addresses on your local network. Today we have explored methods to list all MAC and IP addresses on your local network in Ubuntu. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to DelphStack.